some varieties of African food for you. First, let me display it. So the first thing I'll display here is the fish, the dried fish. So this can be used in making your stew, your sauce, your soup. Very rich source of protein. Okay, so here is the meat, is the fish, sorry, the dried fish. A closer look at it. And this costs 3,000 naira. So I'll just be displaying it like this. Okay. So I'll be displaying some chilies, very essential in the African food, like virtually all the African food. Most African foods requires chili, especially in my country, Nigeria. So I'll be displaying it. Okay. Fine. All right. So this is what the chilies look like, and each of these costs 200 naira. Okay. Yeah, I've got some tomatoes. Very essential. So I'll just go ahead and display it. Lettuce, mostly used in preparing stew. Okay. Fresh and hard tomatoes. Very fresh. Okay. Just grind, cook, and use it for your stew. Sorry about that. is what we call crayfish. Basically, tiny shrimps, and this is very essential in African Nigerian food. Gives it a natural taste. Yeah. Least I forget, each of these tomatoes costs 500 naira. 500, just 500 naira. Alright. Okay, so this is the shrimp, and this is what the shrimp looks like. You can see it's just the crayfish, it's just tiny shrimps, and this gives good taste to the food. This costs 1,000 naira only. Okay. So the next thing I have here is oil, palm oil, and this is what it looks like. It's made from palm nuts, and in Nigeria and some West African country, this is a must in most of our traditional soup. It gives this food color and taste. Yeah, so yeah, we have the palm oil. Okay. Pap. This is the homemade version of the custard, and we call this pap. So basically, we use this for breakfast in Nigeria. It's made from corn. So you dissolve this in cold water. Then you pour a very boiling hot water on it, and it turns to a custard. So this costs 100 naira only. So here I have the granulated sugar that will go with the pap. So this costs 100 naira, and this 50 naira. Powdered milk. Each of these costs 100 naira. Chocolate drink. Each of these costs 100 naira. Okay, that is